Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing excellently well. In today's class, we are going to see progressions. Okay. So just one sum of geometric progression and other sums from arithmetic progressions. All right. Yes. Let's start. So your first question is, let A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, then which of the following is true? Right? So I'll give you a clue. Which is the element of A? Is 3 alone an element of A? No. Yeah, just let me write and explain. Yeah. So is 3 alone? Yeah. Is 3 alone element of A? No. That is 0. Next, 1, 3. Even this is not there, isn't it? Because you have 1, 2. It is an element of A, but 1, 3 is not there, right? Next, you have 1, 2 is an element of A. Yes, it is. 1, 2 is an element of A. So this is A, right? So now, as of now, our third is the correct one. Is it none? No. So your answer should be option 3. All right, students. Okay, now let's move on to the next sum. So before we go to the next sum, I request you all to be ready with your paper, your pen, and if necessary, your textbook also. Supposing if you have forgotten the formulas, then you can just quickly refer to your textbook and then you can do the sums. All right? Yes. So please take down all the questions that has been done. All these questions are very important, and these questions are taken only from your past question paper. All right, students. So hope you all are ready. Right. So now we are moving on to the next question. If 11, 7, 3 are in AP, right? So if 11, 7, 3 are in AP, then you have to find out T10. So what should we find out? We should find out T10. All right. So now you should know the formula for Tn. Is it clear? So then only you will be able to work out the sum, right? Yes. So what is the formula for Tn? Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. Right. So here you have 11, 7, 3 and so on. First term is supposed to be A. Now we are supposed to find out T10. That's the question asked. So 10 minus 1 is 9 into what is D? So in arithmetic progression, your D is the common difference. Right? So what is D? D is the common difference. That is T1. This is T1, T2, T3. So T2 minus T1. So what is 11 minus 7? It is minus 4. So you will put here minus 4. All right? Yes. So 11 minus 9 4s are 36. So 36, 3 minus 1, 2, 6 minus 1, 5. So it is, your answer is minus 25. All right? Yes. Let's see. The answer is not being highlighted. The answer is minus 25. All right, students. So please quickly make a note of this. so that it would be easy for you to do the next sums. All right, let's move on to the next sum. Yes, the common difference of an arithmetic progression is, see here you have 1, 4, 7 and so on. In arithmetic progression, the common term is T2 minus T1. So what is T1, T2, T3? This is T1, T2, T3 and so on. So what is T2? 4 minus T1 is 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So your answer is option 3. All right. Right. So let's see. Right. See the next question. If x comma 4x by 3 comma 5x by 3 comma and so on in AP. So what is that you need to find out? Just a second. Question is here. Yeah. So then 15th term. So you have to find out T15. Right? So what is the formula for Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A? A is x. What is D? Second term minus first term. So this 4x minus 3x by 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 3. So this is supposed to be D. Right. Now what is A? X plus n. N is 15 minus 1 into D is x by 3. So x plus 14 x by 3. So 3 into x, let's take LCM, 3x plus 14x. So 14, 15, 16, 17x by 3. So this is the answer for T15. All right, students. So hope you are getting this answer. Which is very simple question, rather. All right. Yes. Right. Let's see. Yeah. So option 1 is the correct one. All right. Yes. See the next question. Hope you all have taken down. Right. See the next question. The sum of 20 terms. Okay. The sum of 20 terms of the series 3, 6, 9 and so on is dash. All right. So what is our question? The sum of the 20 terms. So now what is the formula? The sum to n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All right. So now we want S20. So 20 by 2 into 2 into a is the first term 3 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into T2 minus T1. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so 10 into 2 3s are 6 plus 19 into 3. 9 3s are 27, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, so it is 10 into 63. So it is 63 into 10 is 630. So your answer must be option 2. All right. So this is how you will work it out and then find out your answer. Is it clear? So hope you all have got this sum. Let's very quickly move on to the next sum. Dash terms of the AP. Just a second. Yeah. So share is clear. So dash terms of the AP 21, 18, 15 and so on is minus 81. See here 21, 18, 15 and so on is minus 81. Okay. So dash term, which means that they are asking us Tn. Okay, so he says Tn is minus 81. So what is the formula for Tn? A plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So what is A 21 plus? We don't know n because that is a term that they've asked. D is 18 minus 21. Okay. T2 minus T1. So this is equal to minus 81. Clear? So 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Yeah, that is equal to minus 81. Okay, so now 21 minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 81. Okay, all right, so 3n minus 3n, 21, 22, 23, 24. So plus 24 is equal to minus 81. Let's continue here. So minus 3n is equal to minus 81 minus 24. So minus 3n is equal to minus 105. 4 plus 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. So minus minus gets cancelled. N is equal to 105 by 3. So it is 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So your N must be option 3. That is 35. All right. So quickly take down, students, so that you will be able to do if such kind of sums comes in your exam. All right. Hope you all have taken down and doing along with me, isn't it? Yes. Let's move on to the next sum. The 10th term, not able to see. The 10th term of the AP 3, 11, 19 is what? Okay. Right. So what is the 10th term? Right. All right. Now what is the formula for Tn? Again, you need to write A plus n minus 1 into d. So we want T10, 10th term. What is A? 3 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 into d is 11 minus 3 minus 8. 11 minus 3. So 3 plus 9 to minus 8. So 3 minus 9 8s are 72, which is 69. Yeah. So just a second, A plus, they're asking for, okay, so n minus 1 into D. So 11 minus 3 is plus 8, not minus 8. So there's a mistake. So 3 plus 9 8s are 72. So it is 75. 3 plus 2, 5. So your correct answer is option 1, 75. All right. So hope you all have got the same answer along with me. Let's move on to the next sum. Okay. Oh my God. What time is getting fast? The beginning. Yeah. So yes, see the sum. If and so on till A7. Okay. So this is our function. X plus y, x minus y, x minus 3y and so on till A7 is equal to what? So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Right, so here we have A7, that is T7, which is A plus n minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6 into your D. Your D is T2 minus T1. So minus of x minus y. So plus x minus x. So you get minus 2y. Right? So minus 2y. So x plus y minus 12y. X minus 11y. So this should be your answer, option 1. So if you all are getting option 1, then it is perfect. All right. So hope you all are following this. All right. So let's move on to the next sum. 15th term of an AP. What is that they're asking? 15th term. Before that, let's 1000 times also you should write the formula. There's nothing wrong because you will get by hearted. So A plus n minus 1 into D. So we want T15 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into your D is x minus 2 minus of x minus 7. X minus 2 minus x plus 7. So plus x minus x. 7 minus 2 is 5. All right. So x minus 7 plus 17. So 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. So x plus 63. 10 minus 7, 3. So your answer must be x plus 63, which is option 1. If you are also getting option 1 is the correct answer, then your answer is right. All right? Yes. Let's move on to the next sum. What is a common ratio of friends? So in first of all, you should check whether this is AP or GP. Right? So what is AP? AP term is A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. Right? So here you can, in other words, if the common difference in both are the first term and the second term is same, then you can say that it is, then you can check whether it is AP or GP, right? So T2 minus T1. What is T2 minus T1? 20 minus 4, which is 16. T3 minus T2, 100 minus 20, which is 80. So this is not AP, isn't it? This is not AP. So then you should find out whether it is GP. So how do you find out whether it is GP? T2 by T1, that is 20 by 4, which is 5. Next, T3 by T2, 100 by 20, which is 5. See, the common differences are same. The common differences are same. So this is GP. All right. So in GP, how do you find out the common ratio or the common difference? T2 by T1. So your answer must be option 3. All right, students. So if you had opted for option 3 as your correct answer, then it is right. All right. See the next question. The nth term of the series. What is it? Nth term means a n minus 1 into b. Okay. So what is a? 8 plus? Yeah. So again, you need to find out whether this is AP or GP, right? So T2 minus T1, 16 minus 8 is 8. T3 minus T2, 32 minus 16 is 16. So this is not AP, right? So what is this? Then we need to find out what is T2 by T1. 16 by 8, which is 2. What is T3 by T2? 32 by 16. 16 twos are 32. So this is from GP, that is geometric progression. All right. So this is not AP. Always, students, you should be quickly, you should not immediately jump into a conclusion that it is AP or this is GP or whatever. So you must check. Okay. So you must check whether it is AP or GP. Then based on that only you should do the sum. Okay. Now the nth term. So for that we need to know the formula. An is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Okay. So An is equal to A. Right. So what is R? R is a common difference. Okay. AR to the power n minus 1. Right. So here you get AR to the power n minus 1. So what could be the answer for this? An is equal to A is the first term. R is the 16 by 8, which is 2. And to the power n. N we don't know. N we don't know. That's what we are finding out. So it is n minus 1. All right? Yes. So now what answer do we get out of this? Is An is equal to, we can write 2 cube, 2 to the 4, 4 to the right, into 2 to the power n minus 1. So 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 3, right? So 2 to the power n. 3 minus plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2, right? So it is 2 to the power n plus 2. So your answer must be option 2. So if you had opted for option 2 as your answer, then it is correct. All right, students, let's move on to the next sum. It's the fifth term of an AP. What is fifth term? T5. T5 is equal to 7. Okay, and the seventh term. So T7 is equal to 5. Then they're asking us the common difference, that is D. Right? Yes. So now let us work out. Tn, before that, what is the formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. So T5 is A plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into D. So what is this? T5 is 7. Okay. Next, what is T7? A plus n minus 1 is 7 minus 1 is 6 into T is 5. Right? So now this is like a equation, quadratic equation. I'm sorry, simultaneous equation. So you can easily solve it and find the value of D. Just change the sign. You get 6 minus 4 is minus 2D is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. So D is equal to 2 by minus 2, which is D is equal to minus 1. So your answer must be option 1. If you had opted for option 1, then your answer is correct. All right, so hope you all have noted down this. Let's move on to the next sum. In AP, A is equal to 4. A9 is 20. So they are asking us what is A15. Before that, what is AN? A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A? 4 plus. Now we want P15. So n minus 1 is 14 into D. So what is D? We don't know. But we know that P9 is 20. That is A plus n minus 1 into D is 20. Now with this, we can find the value of D. 4 plus 8D is equal to 20. So 8D is equal to 20 minus 4 is 16. So D is 16 by 8, which implies D is 2. So now you can just substitute here A plus n minus 1 into D. So 4 plus 28. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So your answer must be 32. That is option 3. So if you had got 32 as your answer, then your answer is right. All right. The next question. The common difference of the arithmetic progression. The common difference of the arithmetic progression x plus y, x minus y, x minus 3y. So they are clearly saying that it is AB. It means T2 minus T1. So T2 minus of T1 minus 5 minus x minus 5. So x gets cancelled. So you will get minus 2y. So minus 2y is option 1. So this is your correct answer. All right. Hope you're getting this. See the next question. 4, x, 9 are in GP. So then what is it? So we know that G3 means T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. So x by 4 is equal to 9 by x. Just cross multiply x square is equal to 36. X is equal to root of 36, which becomes x is equal to plus or minus 6. So your first option is the correct one. All right. These all must not take more than 1 minute because we are very much familiar with the AP and GP formulas. All right. Let's move on to the next one. All right. So this is yes. That's all for today, students. So hope you all enjoyed class and had taken down all the sums. Very important. So I do request you all to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology, and tell about our classes to your friends, your teachers, so that and tell about our classes to them, and so that they can also watch our YouTube videos and get benefited by it. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next class with another interesting topic.